I'll get them.
No, I've done it. It's on me.
You haven't got any money.
Tyrone subbed me.
Oh, so that's why you're grinning for England.
No. Read that.
You get to spend a whole week with Ben.
No, I don't. We do.
What, you want me to come to Devon with you?
Duh.
Yeah, but they've invited you. Duh.
I phoned them before and asked if I could have a +1.
Oh, well, yeah, I'll have to sort it out with Dev, but when are we going?
After work?
What?
So, Anna reckons he might be back Monday.
So I like to see girls hoovering.
Careful. This has got really strong suction.
You think she's joking as well?
And I like to see boys hoovering and all, because if there's one thing I hate, it's sexism.
Oh, yeah, right.
Don't tell me. Clingy ex?
No, I've had enough of them to last me a lifetime.
You're right.
You do know someone else is on the other end of that, don't you?
Yeah, Sam Templeman, a.k.a. Narky Weatherfield.
What? A customer?
Well, not for much longer. Answer it.
I'm telling her, even started his motor, no chance.
Oh, great. Now what? Leave the country, put a bag over your head?
Oh, no, hold on. My dad will kill you.
Hey, you're not helping.
Well, no, ring him back and tell him the truth.
He'll flip out.
Honesty is the best policy. Honestly.
Ignore Bible, Jane. Realistically, when can you get it done by?
Campbell, it's a biggie.
Don't build your part, love. When?
Well, if I start now, sack the Tigre, 10:30 tomorrow morning.
Sure?
Well, he's not going to buy that. We've had it for 3 days.
Give me your phone.
Maddie, what are you doing? Maddie, are you serious?
Ring him. Hiya, Mr. Templeman. Yeah, it's Madeline from Webster's Auto Company. I've rejigged the job sheet, I've got my best mechanic on overtime, and I am molto chuffed to tell you that your car will be ready by 10:30 tomorrow morning. And as a gesture of goodwill, we'll throw in a dangly Elvis. Yep, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, Mr. T. Ciao for now. Couldn't get a word in edgeways.
Where am I supposed to find a dangly Elvis?
You're welcome.